Their ancestors already populated the seas about 400 million years ago, when our Earth was still another. They experienced the transitions of the oceans over millions of years firsthand. These true miracles of evolution fascinate us even today. Sharks. Their streamlined body structure, in combination with their smooth, scaly skin, reduces the water resistance to a minimum. That's why sharks are one of the fastest and most elegant swimmers of the sea. Sharks adapted themselves perfectly to life underwater. Their eyes are extremely light sensitive in order to spot the fast movements of their prey. Their excellent sense of smell makes it possible to sense one drop of blood in 1,000,000 drops of seawater. This sense of smell is so distinct that even a blind shark can catch his prey with ease. The largest shark, and at the same time the largest living fish today, is the whale shark. The longest individual ever measured was almost 14 meters long, but it's said that some whale sharks that were spotted were up to 20 meters in length. Their most characteristic feature is the large mouth that extends across the entire width of their flat snout. Inside, one can find about 3,600 tiny teeth in 300 tightly arranged rows. With their mouth, whale sharks actively soak in the water. This way, they can soak up to 6,000 liters. Then, they press it out through their large gills. In order to satisfy their enormous need for food, they use this technique to filter plankton, as well as small fish and other species from the water. The humpbacks, that can even be spotted from the air due to their incredible size, are very popular among whale watchers because they love to impressively emerge from the water or smack their fin onto the ocean's surface in spectacular grace. These true giants are constantly traveling. Their summer quarters are located in the polar oceans, while they spend their winter in tropical and subtropical waters. When commuting between his summer and winter domicile, the humpback travels thousands of kilometers each year. With its average length of about 13 meters, the humpback is a rather small member of its kind. But what the humpback lacks in size, it makes up with its agility and liveliness. While the humpback's summer quarters are always located in close distance to the shore, they can often be met at the surface, as their dives only go on for about 15 minutes. When they rise to the surface in order to replenish their air supply, they form their characteristic hump and let their fin protrude from the water before diving back down. A particularly energetic humpback will even emerge from the water with a powerful spin, thereby completing an acrobatic jump. Normally, humpbacks travel alone. Only for hunting or mating do they occasionally swim in small groups of 2 to 9 individuals. At the feeding grounds in summer, as well as in the mating areas in winter, humpbacks sometimes assemble in larger groups in which they communicate through an enchanting singing. Every individual has their own unique song by which they can be identified. A whale's song consists of multiple recurring verses that can continue for up to 30 minutes. A humpback fin is also unique to every single individual. Every humpback has a different black and white drawing on their wavy trailing edge. Because they let their fin protrude from the surface, scientists worldwide are able to name, follow, and understand the roots of single humpbacks. Ever since the 17th century, whales were hunted by humans for industrial purposes, until the whale population only consisted of a few thousand individuals in the 1960s. The humpback found itself close to extinction. The reaction came in 1966 with a total worldwide ban on humpback whaling. And it worked. Today, we can still study and marvel at these incredible creatures. However, although whaling no longer comes as a threat to humpbacks, industrial fishing